Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming you legally own the car in the game and that insurance is available for it. This prevents wasted calls. Open your phone, go to Contacts, and scroll to Insurance or the specific insurer entry. If it isn't there, use the interaction menu to access vehicle services. Once done, have the vehicle's location and a quick damage note ready. This lets the agent offer the correct coverage or request a tow immediately, saving time and spawns. You now make the call and follow the voice prompts. Choose claims for damage or replacement options for a destroyed car, and then select the exact vehicle from the list. Confirm the details they read back and approve any fees. This triggers a tow or replacement spawn. Make sure to set a map marker so the tow operator knows where to go. If the insurer offers pickup, accept it. Otherwise, request the replacement be delivered to your safe house for faster access. Complete the call by confirming delivery ETA and the exact spawn point so you can retrieve the car promptly. You want to be there when it appears. If nothing spawns, make sure you're not in a restricted area, then reload your online session or visit the impound before calling again. These steps often reset delivery logic. If problems persist, verify you have enough money for the fee and report the issue to Rockstar with a brief bug summary so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.